Welcome back to a bite-sized edition of The Original Meal. We are revisiting Spam. I don't think Spam got a fair shake in the last little video we did. We're going to give it another try with a recipe from the same cookbook, my new Better Homes and Gardens cookbook from 1937. Quick and thrifty, a cinch to fix. We're making glazed treat / Spam and apples. Let's go. Brown sugar, fruit juice. Mix that in with 1 chunk of pineapple. Oops. Whip that baby around to make a nice thick syrup. It's supposed to get really thick. No, not really thick, but you know, glazy light. Then regular white sugar and water, equal parts, 1 cup, 1 cup. Start a simple syrup for these cored apple slices. Sugar and the water boiling away. Oh, it looks so cool. It's kind of freaky cool, but it's cool. That Spam going on. Come on. And that is the sexiest shot of Spam I have ever seen. We're glazing the apple slices in a simple syrup. So then you paint the Spam. You're going to paint it with your syrupy stuff. Swoosh right to the oven. Out of the oven. Looking good. Gently place the apple slices on top. You know what I forgot? I forgot the parsley, but other than that, it looks fantastic. Here we go. I don't know where to begin. Come on. It's hot. I know it's hot. Pretty good. It's actually, I like it. The saltiness of the Spam and the sweetness of the apples. I like this. I think this is a keeper. Thank you for watching another bite-sized episode of The Original Meal. Like, comment,